Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is MUFTI RAHMAN AMIR. I'm from NAUTIKA 3 Charlie, and this time I would like to explain a little bit to you guys about wind direction and wind force. Okay guys, first I would like to explain about wind direction. The first thing we need to know, what is wind direction? Wind direction is referred as orientation from where the wind is blowing. Okay, for instance, or for example guys, if the wind coming out from the north and blowing toward to the south, it is north wind. Next example is if the wind coming out from the southeast and blowing to the northwest, we can say is southeast wind. Okay guys, next you can see in video I have 8 direction in here, and we can divide into 2 parts. They are cardinal and ordinal point. The first cardinal point, I have 4 direction. The first is north, for azimuth degrees is 0 degrees. Next east, and azimuth degrees is 90 degrees. Next is south, for azimuth degrees 180 degrees, and last is west, for azimuth degrees is 270 degrees. Okay, for the second is ordinal point. Ordinal point have 4 direction. The first is northeast 45 degrees. Second is southeast 135 degrees. Next is southwest 225 degrees, and last is northwest 315 degrees. Okay guys, next I would like to explain about what is wind force and wind speed. Before we know about wind force and wind speed, we have to know what is Beaufort scale, because Beaufort scale is a system that describes wind speed based on the effect of ship speed and ocean waves. Okay, Beaufort scale is one of the first scale to estimate wind speed and the effect, and this scale was created by Sir Francis Beaufort, and he developed this scale in 1805 to help a sailor estimate the winds via visual observation. Okay, we can see on the table of Beaufort scale. In this table explain about scale or level of wind speed. The next is condition at sea, and then wind speed. First we explain about scale. This scale starts from 0 until 12. That means the wind speed can give a small or a big effect to land or to sea. Okay, for example, we look in the scale 1 is like air. In the scale 1, we look condition at sea is scaly ripples without foam crest, and wave height is 0.1 meter. And in the scale 1, wind speed just 1 until 3 knots. And next example, we look in the scale 12. Scale 12 is a hurricane, and condition at sea is huge wave. Sea is completely white with driving spray and air filled with foam, and the wave height until 14 meters, and wind speed is 64 knots or more.